Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting to Command Prompt quickly, so reboot into Recovery or Safe mode and choose Command Prompt. Once done, confirm the Windows drive letter. It might be C, but check with Dire. You need admin rights, enter credentials when prompted. Make sure file system is readable before running repairs. Now that you're in, type straightforward commands. They run outside the full GUI, which helps fix boot issues without Windows interfering. Keep a notepad for errors you'll copy later. You'll repair the boot sequence now. First, run bootrex/fixember and bootrex/fixboot to restore master boot code. Then use bootrex/scanos and bootrex/rebuild to detect and re-register Windows installations. If chkdsk is needed, run chkdsk/f/r to fix disk errors. This can take time, so be patient. If commands report access denied, open disk part. Select the system partition and set it active. Then you finish by repairing system files and validating boot entries. Run sfc/scano with offline switches. For example, sfc/scano/offbootdir equals C, //offwindir equals C, /Windows to restore corrupted system files. After that, reboot normally and confirm Windows starts. If problems persist, use bcdedit to inspect entries and correct incorrect device or path values. Make sure to record any exact error texts. If repairs fail repeatedly, try system restore or a Windows reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.